Hello, let us dive into the world of physics and especially into the world of motion. Now, when we talk about motion, the first concept that we should discuss about is the concept of position. Now, what is position? The position of an object is its existence in a particular point of space. The space can be explained with the help of this coordinate system. A plane can be explained with the help of this x and y axis, and the position of any object on this plane can be explained with the help of two numbers which we call coordinates. As for example, we may say that the position of a particular object here is 4, 3. It actually means that we are at a distance of 4 units from this y-axis and we are at a distance of 3 units from the x-axis. So the position of any object is actually its existence in space. So if we have only a plane, then we can explain it with the help of this x and y axis. But if we have a 3D space, then we have to have one more axis, that is the z-axis. Of course, we should not go into so much details right in the very beginning. Just keep in mind that the position is the existence of an object in space, and so with the help of this concept we can move forward. Now when we talk about motion, then actually we have to say that two kinds of positions are always referred to. One is the point from where the object starts to move, and it is called the initial position or I, and the other point is where the object finishes its movement, and that is called the final position, or it can be called F. Now while going from this initial position to this final position, the object may or may not travel in a straight line. It may go like this up to here, and then it may go like this up to here, and then also like this, and then like this, and finally like this, and it will reach this place. So it has not actually traveled in a straight path. It has not gone directly from the initial position to the final position. Rather, it has taken some zigzag path. Now, if we start adding up the distances traveled by the object while reaching from the initial position to the final position, then we will have to add this A, then this B, then this distance C, this distance D, and this distance E. So the total path actually covered by the body in order to move from the initial position to the final position is the sum of all these distances. So we can say that A plus B plus C plus D plus E will actually give us the total length of the path covered by the object from the initial position to the final position, and this is called distance. On the other hand, if we draw a straight line, from the initial position to the final position like this, if we draw a straight line, then the distance of this straight line, or the length of this straight line, suppose the length of this line is x, then the length of this straight line drawn from the initial position to the final position gives us the shortest distance between these two positions, and this shortest distance between the two positions, that is the initial position and the final position, is called the displacement of the object. So here we have got two important terms. One term is called the distance and the other term is called the displacement. So let us just take a quick look about what these terms really are. So the distance is the total path length covered by the body in motion, while the displacement is the shortest distance from the initial position to the final position. So that was a short discussion about the basics of motion. We have discussed about position, we have discussed about initial and final positions, and we have also discussed about two very important terms, namely distance and displacement. We'll take a quick break and come back again for more such important and exciting discussions. Thank you very much.